There's something that doesn't happen every day. Now here's something that doesn't happen every day. My line is over that limb up there, and I got a fish on. I'll do this one-handed. There's the fish. There's my bass. There's my line going up onto that limb up there. Doesn't happen to you every day. My line went over a limb. I didn't notice. I highballed the pitch and it landed and a fish struck it as soon as it touched the water. See how I'm gonna go about this. That's fish number 5. Done in a weird way, but that's number 5. That's number 5.